Hi viewers, here are some tips how to cure diabetes with raw lady finger. Diabetes is a common element in people all over the world. These days we get to hear that small children also diabetic and they need to maintain their health with lot of restrictions in diet. For few people, the sugar levels are high and they need to take insulin to maintain sugar levels. People with diabetes need to go through lot of pain and expensive treatment with regular medicines. Ayurveda recommends a natural method to bring down sugar levels. Lady's finger is the vegetable that has proven great results in reducing diabetes. Lady's finger is known as okra bendi. Simple methods to control diabetes using lady's finger. Ayurveda treatment for curing diabetes with raw lady's finger. Here is a simple tip to control diabetes with raw lady's finger. Take raw lady's finger, wash them, cut the both ends and make a slit in between. Now take a bowl of water. Place this lady's fingers in this water. Add some more water if needed. Cover it with a lid and keep it aside overnight. Remove lady's finger from the water. Drink this water on empty stomach. This water will be slimy with the addition of the musclage sticky content of lady's finger. Repeat this method for 2 weeks and then do a sugar test and check sugar levels. Soluble fibers are very important to keep your kidney healthy. They play their role in digestion of carbohydrates. Lady's finger is enriched with the soluble fibers. Digestion process is slowed down and hence lowers the sugar levels in blood. For some individuals, the kidney gets affected with high sugar. Prevents deterioration to your key organs by adopting this simple method in your daily routine. Include lady's finger in your menu too. Okra helps in lowering the blood sugar levels by blocking the absorption of sugar in the intestinal tract. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Okra with rice water cures diabetes. The seeds and peel of okra have anti-diabetic properties which lead to stabilized blood glucose levels. Whereas a moderate amount of healthy whole grains such as brown rice or white rice instead of processed grains may reduce the risk of complications like diabetic neuropathy. Firstly, prepare rice water by boiling rice in a bowl. Now, strain this water into a glass or jar and keep aside. Take 4 medium-sized okra pods. Cut both ends of pods and make okra into small pieces. Place the okra pieces into a glass and cover them with rice water. Allow okra to sit in rice water overnight. Squeeze okra pieces before removing from the rice water. Finally, discard the pieces and gulp down the water. Do this once in a day to reduce the effects of existing diabetes or to keep diabetes at bay as a pre-diabetic person. It takes almost no effort on your part and could potentially save your money in reducing the need for expensive treatments. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bitter gourd tea cures diabetes. The main benefit of bitter gourd tea is to regulate diabetic symptoms. It has compounds like Vicaine and keratin are able to lower blood sugar levels by regulating carbohydrate metabolism. This prevents the spikes and drops in glucose levels that can be so dangerous to diabetic patients. To make this diabetic tea, all you need is fresh bitter gourd, jaggery and water. Cut bitter gourd into normal pieces and crush few pieces using a mortar. Now, take jaggery pieces and crush to become small particles. Now, boil 2 glasses of water in a bowl and add crushed bitter gourd pieces and jaggery to it. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes and finally strain water into a cup. Diabetes Cure Bitter Gourd Tea is ready to drink. Drink this amazing tea twice in a day and say goodbye to diabetes. Some of the most benefits of bitter gourd tea include its ability to fight against cancer, prevent chronic disease, lower cholesterol levels, regulate diabetes, stimulate the immune system, and help the metabolism, and among others. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Can diabetics eat rice? Once you learn that you have diabetes, you start paying very close attention to everything you eat. Every choice you make has to promote and sustain your good health. According to the American Diabetes Association, your meals should include foods from each of 6 essential food groups: non-starchy vegetables, milk, fruit, meat and meat substitutes, fat and grains, and starchy vegetables. Yes, diabetics can eat rice, counting carbohydrates. Depending on the plan you work out with your healthcare team, your meals are built around a specific amount of carbohydrates. Carbs are what cause blood sugar to rise. The more consistent you are in your carb intake, the more stable your blood sugar levels will be. Doctors generally recommended that women eat 45 to 60 grams of carbs per meal and that men get 60 to 75, including rice in your diet. 1 serving of cooked rice equals half a cup, which contains about 50 grams of carbs. If your allowance for carbs is 45 to 60 grams per meal, you can certainly eat a half cup of rice. Just be mindful of the vegetables, fruits and dairy you might also be eating at that meal. They will have carbs you need to include in your quota too. You can eat your rice as a side to your main course or perhaps as an ingredient in a dessert. Brown rice. The less processed your grains are, the more fiber and nutrients they contain. Unless your healthcare team has told you not to eat white rice, you can choose white or brown. However, brown rice is a healthier choice for everyone, not just diabetics. The fiber in whole grains such as brown rice is contained in the hull or coating on the grain. This fiber slows down the breakdown of the rice into sugars during the digestive process. This has a double benefit. Your blood sugar is less likely to shoot up or spike from the carbs in the rice, and you will expend more calories digesting the fiber. Some commonly held ideas about diabetes and food are misconceptions. Well-intentioned family members and friends will tell you you can never eat sugar or sweets again, that you have to skip the rice, bread, and potatoes. None of this is true. Even though carbohydrate-rich foods do raise blood sugar, you don't have to avoid them completely. In fact, your body needs these foods along with protein and fat and to function properly. Thank you for watching this video.